In temperatures of -52 centigrade, the aircraft allegedly wouldn't budge by itself, at which point some of the 74 passengers on board took matters into their own hands. They grabbed hold of the wings and helped to push the plane into position. The story flew into the headlines in Russia with admiration for the super-strong Siberians. But the response of Russian transport police has been a little chillier. They've launched an official investigation into the incident, and they've already said that the passengers had no right to push that plane.